Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fun with Pusha, and welcome to class 3 of English grammar. Sentences. Actually, kinds of sentences. We'll be learning a statement, a command, an exclamation, and a question. Okay? Okie dokie. So, a statement will tell you something. A command will give you an order. They each end with a period. Exclamation shows a strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation point. A question asks something. It ends with a question mark. Now, let's take a few examples. A statement. Some dogs can be trained to help people. This is a statement because it is telling something. Now, a question. Can a dog help a person who is deaf? It's a question because it's asking us something. Now, a command. Do not pet a working guide dog. This is a command because it is giving us an order. Make sure you don't do this when someone's doing this. Now, an exclamation. She's a great guide dog. This is an exclamation because it is showing our feelings. Happy. This is a happy feeling. Now, let's try this. What did the dog hear? This is a question. It's asking us something. Number 2. Be careful when you cross the street. I think this is a command. It's telling us to be careful when you are doing this. So it should end with a period. Guide dogs help keep their owners safe. This is telling us something. This is a statement. It ends with a period. Now, his guide dog is so helpful. Okay, I think this is an exclamation mark. It should be because it's showing our feeling like he's so helpful. It's showing us a feeling. So, now let's check out some or do some exercises. Yeah. Now, since these exercises are about statement and question, let's read what they are again. A statement is a sentence that tells something. It is very important, that's why it's circled. Now, a question is a sentence that asks something. This is also very important, that's why it's circled too. Now, let's start our exercise. Let's write each statement or question correctly. Josh and his family have 3 pets. They're telling us that Josh and his family have 3 pets. So, it's a statement. A statement tells something. And also, the first letter of a sentence should be capital. So, the J should be capital. And so does the name. They have a dog and 2 goldfish. Again, it's telling us that they have a dog and 2 goldfish. So, a statement. And T is correct. So, okay. Where does the dog sleep? It's asking us something. We have to answer it. It's a question. Question mark. And then, the first letter of the sentence should be capital. Now, who takes care of the dog? Again, it's asking us something. Who takes care of the dog? And the first letter of a sentence should be capital. 5. The dog sleeps with Josh. It's telling us that the dog is sleeping with Josh. So a period. And then, as I told many times, the first letter of the sentence should be capital. Now, let's do the same exercise, but with a command only. A command gives an order. It's also very important. That's why it's circled. Now, number 1. Give the dog a treat. It's telling us to give the dog a treat. And we have to do it, so it's giving us an order. That means it's a command, and it ends with a period. And the first letter of a sentence should be capital. Number 2. Take your dog to the park. it's again telling us to take our dog to the park. It's an order, giving us an order. So it ends with a period, and then T should be capital. Okay, now, teach your dog a trick. It's telling us to teach our dog a trick. So, it's giving us an order. And then T should be capital. The first letter of a sentence should be capital. This man is making just too much mistakes. Number 4. Find a color for the dog. Now, it's telling us to find a color for the dog. It's giving us an order. Do this! So, it ends with a period. And then F needs to be capital. Indeed, of course. Keep your dog quiet. Now, it's telling us to keep our dog quiet, and it ends with a period since it's giving us an order, which is a command, and then K has to be capital. Now, again, the same thing, but with an exclamation. Exclamation shows strong feeling. It's also very, very important. That's why it's circled. People like my dog. Now, this. It's showing us a feeling. So it's an exclamation, and it's a happy one. Yay! He is the smartest dog I know. Now this should also be, I think, exciting feeling, because it's showing us the feeling like he is the smartest dog I know. So it's an exclamation mark, and then the first letter of a sentence should be capital. OMG. Now, my dog chewed my friend's shoe to bits. How dare you, my dog? Now, yes, this may be anger. And yeah. Her dog had puppies. Oh my god, I think this is a surprise. Like, oh my god, her dog had puppies? And then the first letter of a sentence should be capital. Those dogs run so fast. Okay, I think this is a surprise too. I hope you learned what a statement, a question, a command, and an exclamation is. And again, this video was very important. I hope you like this video. If yes, then please hit the like button. If you love it, then please hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. If your friends are learning English, then please share my channel with them. See you in the next class. Bye!